Welcome to English for Life. Watch, listen, and learn English with our family today.
Just one more game, please. I am not sleepy yet.
It is time to rest our bodies.
Sleep helps you grow strong.
One small step to bed, Jack.
Is it really bedtime now? My eyes feel heavy.
Good night, my little hero.
Sweet dreams, little ones.
Let's make a card for Dad. I want to draw a star. This will be our surprise. Bunny can sleep with me.
I will be back for lunch.
Fresh bread is ready.
It smells so good. May I have one piece?
I have to work today. I will come home for lunch.
This house needs our teamwork.
Today, we are the Sparkle Team.
I want to be a sparkle helper. Cleaning sounds very boring.
Start with one small job.
I can pick up this car. The bunny goes in the basket.
The vacuum helps remove dust.
There are crumbs on the table. I can help with the dustpan. I sweep the crumbs together. The pillow goes on the sofa. Where is our card? The room looks much better.
Now the kitchen needs teamwork.
I will put the milk away. I fold the napkin neatly.
A clean counter is safer.
The bread goes in the box. This plate goes in the sink.
Wash slowly and carefully.
I dry the plate carefully. The bubble is so shiny.
The kitchen is almost ready.
The card is still missing.
Next, we clean the bathroom.
This sponge feels soft. I scrub this small spot.
Wipe the mirror in circles.
The toothbrush stands here. Huh! I can see my face now.
The floor is getting shiny.
Look! The tile is shiny! I wanted to surprise Dad.
Love matters more than a perfect card.
I see something under there. Please be the card. I found it. We found Dad's surprise.
Now the card is safe.
Let's make spaghetti for lunch.
This tomato is bright red. Green lettuce goes in the salad.
The bread goes in the middle.
This card is for Dad. The fork goes beside the plate.
I am home. Wow, The house is so clean.
Surprise, Dad! Ah!
Thank you, my sweet team. You worked hard today.
We did it together.
A seed needs soil and care.
I put the seed in the soil. The seed needs water.
Sunlight helps flowers grow.
Families grow with love and help. Dinner is ready outside.
My favorite tool is the sponge. I like the vacuum cleaner. A clean home feels happy.
Subscribe to English for Life, watch this story again, practice slowly, and learn simple English with our family every day.